Hi guys, in this video we're gonna be bringing you the top best couple-friendly hotels in Shimla with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. If you are looking out for budget-friendly hotels in Shimla, we've also compiled a list of that and that link is in our description box below. Hotel Fairmount. This is one of the 3-star budgeted hotel in Shimla. This hotel is situated in a valley in the middle of the mountains. You can also access the seated terrace and enjoy the beautiful views of the mountains here. This hotel also has a conference room, a business center for formal events and meetings. The in-house restaurant here serves Indian, Chinese as well as Italian. This hotel is also extremely couple-friendly. The rooms here are priced at around 1,700 rupees which goes up to 3,600 rupees depending upon the room categories you choose. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Marigold Sarovar Portico is next up on our list. This hotel provides warm hospitality with chilly air of the mountains. The hotel is again very famous for newly wedded honeymoon couples. They also have a number of Ayurvedic massages available at their in-house spa. Do not forget to book a couple spa to enjoy it with your loved one. The hotel also has a gaming room and a recreation area for the guests. The restaurant in this hotel is a multi-cuisine restaurant but also offers delicious local cuisines. For those of you visiting here for your honeymoon, do not forget to opt for the Mountain View Suite with the private sit-out where you can enjoy the beautiful views of the city. Now the rooms here are priced at about 3,500 rupees which goes up to 17,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. Don't forget to check the links in our description below. The Golden Fern Resort is next up on our list. This is one of the most famous resorts for honeymoon. This is also the only resort which provides the biggest banquet halls to host weddings in Shimla. This resort provides you with a fitness center, it has a spa and a salon, it has an in-house restaurant, outdoor sports and even a trekking area. The rooms and suites here are extremely elegant and stylish with wooden flooring. All rooms are valley facing and you can enjoy this from your own private balcony. For those of you visiting this resort on your honeymoon, we would definitely recommend you to opt for the luxury suite. This resort is absolutely couple friendly. The rooms here are priced at about 2,900 to 6,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the links in our description below. The Larissa Resort is next up on our list. This is one of the most couple-friendly, reasonably priced resort in Shimla. It gives you access to all the city center points and must-see destinations in Shimla. The hotel has an indoor gaming section. They also provide with a spa and a wellness center, so do not forget to book a spa along with your loved one. For those of you visiting this resort on your honeymoon, do not forget to opt for the Honeymoon Valley View rooms. The rooms here are extremely airy and not at all claustrophobic with large windows that look out to the town uphill. This resort is a perfect blend of luxury, comfort and style. This resort has different categories of rooms available starting from 3,500 rupees which goes up to 6,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. And to make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Oberoi Cecil is next up on our list. This is a 5-star property built during the British era that features luxurious, stunning valley views in Shimla. The hotel provides you amazing hospitality. This hotel also has a banquet hall where you can host your functions or celebrations. The hotel has a lounge and indoor game area, also different kinds of spa treatments available at their spa and salon. This hotel has an indoor swimming pool. You can also enjoy using the hot tub jacuzzi with spectacular views. This hotel has different categories of rooms available. The rooms here are extremely spacious and comfortable. They are priced at about 12,000 rupees which goes up to 75,000 rupees depending upon which category room you choose. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. If you're enjoying this video, please drop us a like button and also do subscribe back to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities. The Radisson Jazz Shimla. This is one of the 5-star hotels in Shimla where you can enjoy the views of the lush green hills and distant snow-clad peaks from your suites. Some of the rooms here also provide you with a private garden. This hotel has a luxurious spa offering Asian and European massages as well. It is one of the only hotels in Shimla where it has a temperature-controlled multi-tiered outdoor swimming pool. This hotel also has a banquet as well as a lawn where you can organize any kind of celebration or functions. The hotel also has a multi-cuisine restaurant as well as a bar at the hotel. This hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 9,000 rupees which goes up to 15,000 rupees depending upon the category of room you select. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Clarks Hotel is next up on our list.
hotels in Shimla, which was built in 1898. It is also one of the 4-star hotels in Shimla where you can enjoy the royal experience and amazing hospitality. This hotel is located in Mall Road, which is the center of the city, which makes it accessible to all the tourist spots. The hotel can also make arrangements for any kind of special occasion that you want to celebrate at the hotel. The hotel has an in-house restaurant, a bar, a lounge, as well as a coffee shop. It is also one of the hotels where you can enjoy the views of the lush green hills and also this beautiful city. Now this hotel has different categories of rooms available, starting from 8,000 rupees, which goes up to 12,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. The Snow Valley Resort is next up on our list. This is one of the most reasonably priced honeymoon hotels in Shimla. It offers you with extremely amazing mountain views. This hotel has an in-house terrace restaurant. The food here is absolutely amazing. Anything that you order, you won't be disappointed. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and spacious and very well equipped. There is also a gaming room and a kids play area. The rooms here are priced at about 3,500 rupees and goes up to 10,000 rupees. If you're visiting this hotel on your honeymoon, do not forget to opt for the mountain view rooms. The Honeymoon Inn is next up on our list. This hotel is just 10 minutes away from Mall Road, which is the busiest and the shopping streets of Shimla. The hotel also has a tour desk available where you can plan your day tours. The hotel also has an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service as well as an indoor gaming section. This hotel is absolutely couple friendly, just as the name suggests. If you are visiting Shimla on your honeymoon, don't forget to book the honeymoon suite here, as you can enjoy the amazing views of this beautiful city. The rooms here are priced at about 3,800 to 6,000 rupees depending upon the category of rooms that you select. The Zion is next up on our list. If you're visiting Shimla on your honeymoon, this is one of the hotels you may want to consider. It is conveniently located and has access to all the city must-see destinations. The hotel also has an amazing rooftop dining area where you can ask the hotel to set up a private dining just for you. The hotel also has a gaming room section, a bar, a barbecue section, as well as an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. If you're visiting Hotel Zion on your honeymoon, do not forget to opt for the double room with mountain view, and also do not forget to ask the hotels to decorate your rooms. Now the rooms here are priced at about 3,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees, which also makes it one of the most budget-friendly honeymoon hotels in Shimla. To make it easier for you, we have also attached the links in our description below. That's it from us, guys. These are the top best couple-friendly hotels in Shimla. We hope we've helped you select the best hotel for your loved one. Don't forget to check out the links in our description below. This is Divya from Adira Travel signing off. We wish you a safe and a pleasant journey. Bye-bye.